Hi, and welcome to ArcGIS Pro Training for Beginners tutorial. I just wanted to take a moment to go over a few things before you start the tutorial. I'm going to go over in a moment what you can expect from this tutorial, and right there on the home page, you're going to see a couple of examples. The first one is a map that I created using ArcGIS Pro. It is a map of Libya, and what it shows is it shows land cover, which basically shows the moisture that is received across the country. It is represented by different colors, red being the areas that do receive moisture, and yellow being the areas that receive the least amount of moisture. And just below that, you're going to see a little video, and what that video does is it shows you the extent of what ArcGIS Pro can do from a 2D to a 3D model environment, and how amazing it is a tool to use. So please take a moment to watch that video, and we'll go ahead and get started. So in this tutorial, you will learn who Esri is, what ArcGIS Pro is. You're also going to learn how to set up a free Esri account, how to download and install ArcGIS Pro. You will learn the difference between what a raster image versus a vector image is and why that's important in ArcMap. And you're going to learn how to use the basic ArcGIS Pro tools so that you can create your own map. And then finally, you're going to learn how to export, share map images, and how to save them on your computer for access later on. So just want to take a brief moment to go over what ArcGIS Pro is, and this is the explanation given on arcgis.com. And so it tells you that it is the latest desktop geographical information system, or what we call GIS, and it can visualize, analyze data, create 2D maps, 3D scenes, and it allows you to share that information across multiple formats. ArcGIS Pro can use different layers, and so what it does is it lays layers on top of layers on top of layers. So if you want to examine, let's say a big topic right now is the ice sheets in Antarctica and how they're slowly melting. And so if you took images and you stuck them into a ArcGIS Pro map format, you could actually take and you could put different years as different layers on the map. And so as you peel those layers up, you can start to see how the ice is starting to melt and recede. And so that just gives you a brief example of how ArcGIS can use different layers and different samplings to give you a visual as to what's going on. And there's so many more things that you can do with ArcGIS Pro. That's just a little example to help get you started in this process. Once again, thank you for taking this tutorial. I do think that you will get a lot out of it. ArcGIS Pro is a large program, takes many years to master, but this should give you the basic tools that you need to understand maps that are put out by ArcGIS Pro, as well as how to create some small fun maps yourself and how to share those. So once again, thank you and enjoy the tutorial. Once you get done with the information, there is a tab at the bottom, the Start Tutorial tab. Just go ahead and click on that and begin the exercises. Have a wonderful day.